This kit is called Double Cards for Summer, but I'm here to tell you these will be beautiful any season. Now, this is kind of different because these cards are printed and scored. There are two sizes. There are 10 of this larger size, which is 4.5 by 6.5. And then there's also the exact same imagery in the smaller size, which is 4 1/8 by 5 3/4. So you can kind of see the difference in the sizes. You're going to get 10 of each design. You're also going to get 10 envelopes that will perfectly fit. Now let me show you the imagery because that's what's so beautiful. We're going to get in closer just so that you can really get a good look at them. The cards come flat like this. They are scored right here, and this way we can get in and just really show you the artwork because it is stunning. And so it's just very simple to score on them. The inside is white. The back, as you can see, is a light color that coordinates with the front. So you're going to get 2 of that in each, 1 of each size. You get a total of 2. Have the birds, just beautiful. Flowers, the lace. And we've got more lace and flowers. Just a beautiful collection. Now, you can use these as they are. Certainly it would be perfect to use one of Creative Expressions cutting dies with their greetings. You can certainly use dazzles would be perfect on it if you've got any die cuts. So just a lot of things that you can do with these. Okay, that was the 10. So you're going to get 1 of each, and as I said, you're going to get 1 of each in this size, and then again in the smaller size. And don't worry, you're going to have matching white envelopes to coordinate with them just beautifully. Now on the package, I just want to point this out. It's showing some other embellishments, and I don't want that to confuse or mislead anyone, but what you are getting is the printed, beautifully printed cards.